Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this lab, I'm going to give you an overview of Cisco Call Studio application. Cisco Unified Call Studio application is like a programming interface. It allows you to create your own call flow with various programming element involved in order to create a call center application. Now, you would first define the application or create the application in Call Studio, upload the script to Call Manager, Cisco Voice Portal Server, customer voice portal server, and then from your gateway, just like the Hello World, you will point to your application. Now, Cisco Unified Call Studio is a licensed product, so you will need to make sure it's licensed. It does come with a 30-day license to play with. So this is the call application that you'll design. As you can see, it's a little bit of a drag and drop kind of environment. Any new project you create, you have a choice what kind of project. So let's say you're creating an application and all of a sudden you need to customize JavaScript. You can create a Java project. You can create a CSV project, Call Studio project, and plugin development. Now, every new script will have a start of a call. Obviously, the call comes in, it starts the call, and then you can define various other call controls mechanism. For example, start the call, and I can then transfer the call right away. Now, in order for me to connect the dot, I can go to probably page connector. So when I create an application, for example, start the call, I can say, well, next step, exit step will be next, and the next step will be transfer the call. Now, in the transfer the call, you have a choice, either done after transferring, or if it's busy, take certain action. If it's no answer, take another action. So let's assume if it's busy, I will probably send it to somewhere else. So let's say I can end the call if I want to, or I can take different actions. Notification. Let's say if it's busy, we're gonna send a notification. So when it's busy, send an email. If it's no answer, also send an email. So I got multiple options. Now, as far as the email property goes, so you need to first decide where to transfer the call. So here you can define some parameters. Transfer destination, for example, 2034. Destination type, you can use zip, and if the email, once the email happens, so you can say to support@voicebootcamp.com. So now this is basically how you would create the script. So here you have the navigation. Navigation allows you to see all your projects. Under element, these are all the programming tools that you have that allows you to customize and construct your application. In the middle you have all your scripts, how your application will look, the call flow. So it's a drag and drop. On the left right hand side, element configuration, you have general, settings, audio, data. These are some of the parameters this elements are looking for in order to and where you can supply information. So for example, in the email component, I can go to settings and I can define where the email is going to, where is it coming from, maybe from sales. If I want anybody doing the CC or BC blind copy, and the message body. So here I can say this is a test for emails element. Okay. Now don't forget that your application should know how to initiate mail connectivity through SNMTP. So this here you have a Call Studio problem. If there's any error messages, you will see that here, and all the prompts are manageable from this window. You have your toolbar and of course various menus for different purposes. So whenever you're configuring CVP, you probably will likely use this application all the time to customize and or create script from the ground up.